Hi traders, and welcome to TradeView's Trading Talk episode 53. My name's Matt, one of the junior traders here on the desk. In this model I'm going to be sharing an awesome Inside Bar Breakout system that I've personally been working on. I'm looking forward to getting it all in our members' hands too. We've also been able to announce the Algo Trading Conference speakers, really excited by it. We've got Kevin Davey, former world trading champion, Dr. Tom Stark, who's a quant from Sydney, and our own head of trading, Ellie Garley. Okay, go to algotradingconference.com to find out some more information on them guys. Also, super excited by this next piece of news. We've finally announced the TradeView International Trading Championship. Everyone who is trading must get involved. There's some awesome money on the table, up to $50,000 in the prize pool. To access the full video and actually start building these systems with us and actually trading them on the championship itself, click on the link below to become a member. I look forward to working with you all soon, and I hope you enjoy the video.